And here we are at Lao Pa Sat. They have very familiar drinks and dishes if you're familiar with Singapore. Singapore laksa, bak kut, fried Hokkien mee, seafood, char kway teow, all that kind of stuff. So we're going to go in and checking it out. It's right here in Old Phuket Town in Phuket, Thailand. I'm not sure what I'm going to get yet, but I'm sure it's going to be yummy. And today's special is prawn noodle soup. Do you want that? Maybe 150 baht. So here we have the menu for Lao Pa Sat. What a nice, colorful dining area, and lots to see here. All the food is very familiar to me from when I used to live in Singapore. You have all kinds. You have chicken rice. You have char kway teow. You have the sambal kangkong. You have just soups and laksas and bak kut, and you have Nasi Lemak and laksa again. There are Thai dishes here too. We're in Thailand after all. And there are appetizers, things like that. So that looks pretty good. And also the desserts. They have some of the Asian style desserts. So we're going to order up and we'll check it out once the food arrives.
Milo dinosaur?
Milo dinosaur. Okay. And for me, I'll have a Leo beer. I'll have a large, please. Mm-hmm. That's it. Okay. Yep. Yep. Okay. That's good. Thank you. Leo beer. Yeah. That's a good beer for me. It's nice and light and sweet. That's how I like it. I think the food is on the way. Oh no, it was for somebody else. Don't you hate it when that happens? That's okay. Nice crowd in here. It's Sunday, and so there is a walking street outside, and we're going to check that out later. So, but it's pretty good to come down early. It's only about 4:30, and so we're having an early dinner. Go for a walk and maybe pick up some snacks as well. All right, now here it comes. Yeah, Nasi Lemak. That looks good. Wow. That's Yanto's Nasi Lemak. Yep, you got a piece of chicken there. You got some egg. You got the coconut rice, some cucumber. That looks nice with the anchovies over there. Good. All right. Just waiting for my rendang to come. Okay, so I think my rendang is coming. Is that right? Yep, there's the coconut rice with an egg on it. And what's this? Ah, that's what I'm waiting for. Thank you. That's looking nice, nice. Beef rendang with the egg and the little condiments there. Coconut rice. We're gonna eat it up. We'll share it. Okay. So it is rendang. So rendang is an Indonesian style beef stew. So you got nice pieces of beef in here, and we're going to mix that with the rice later, and have some extra chili over there you want. So that was a yummy meal at Lao Pa Sat, Phuket. And it's so nice to find authentic, home cooking. And in this case, it would be Singapore home cooking. They have drinks here, and so gonna pay the bill. Let's see how much that is. Thanks for joining us today, and please like and subscribe, and come back and see us again soon as at Asia Eats and Street Beats.